everyone. So today we have with us Mr. Dwijendra Kumar Manish. He is currently the Foods and Beverages Manager of Efotel Hotel by Sayaji. He has completed his studies from NSMS Durgapur and has an experience of more than a decade. Welcome, sir. Sir, so we shall start by we'll try to know that what are your experiences like from a student to a manager. It will be a pleasure for us to hear from you. What has been your experience throughout this journey?
Good evening, viewers. My name is Dwijendra Kumar Manish. I started my career after doing the hotel management. I started my career from Taj Residency, Baroda. It's a group of Taj group of hotels. It was a new experience for me as I was new to this industry. After working for a year, I got an opportunity to move to Bahrain. I went there. Bahrain is in Gulf, Middle East. I went there, worked for 2.5 years. Again, moved to Maldives. Maldives I was supposed to take care of a bar. I was working as a bar manager over there. It was a nice hotel, five-star hotel in the name of Meduparu Island. I worked there for more than 2.5 years. There I got to know about the alcohol, spirits, food, and new type of dishes in the world. And here I came in interaction with the people from different part of the world like Russia, US, UK, and it gave me a good growth. After that, I came back to India. I worked in Barbecue Nations, which is a well-known restaurant, Indian restaurant in India, as well as at present it's shifted to Dubai and Malaysia. Presently, I am working with Sayaji Group of Hotels at Indore. The hotel name is Ifotel Hotel by Sayaji. It's having 181 rooms, restaurants, two restaurants, bar, discotheque. And here, the journey, if you ask me the journey from a schoolboy to a hotelier and a mid-level management to a high-level management, it was quite tough as it seems in all the industries. When you join at initial level, we have to work hard. Slowly, you learn about the business, about the thing strategy of the industry, and come forward. As I was from a small town named Gaya, my dreams were big. I wanted to earn a lot of money with good respect in the industry. Slowly, I came to in contact with different type of people, and at present, I'm happy to be here in such a good group and at such a level where I can get a handsome salary with respected job, which was my dream in my life.
So as you just said, and as we all know that in during this pandemic, hospitality industry is an industry which is like one of the worst hit industries due to this lockdown and everything. So what are your views and how is this industry like getting back on track?
See, not even hotel industry, but all the industry in this world, it was hit during COVID-19. But yes, you are true that our industry was affected a more. Reason behind this is that we are human-based industry. If you go to IT, they work from machine, so they can work from home. They can earn money. They can get the salary. But our industry where people has to come to the hotel, they have because hotel industry the money where we get. First, you have to understand this. Hotel basically depend on rooms. So once you get the room, people will come to you. Then that room guest will have the food in the restaurant, bar, discotheque. This is how we get the revenue. Coming to F&B, local people are coming in the restaurant, in bar, discotheque. From there you get the revenue. But because of this COVID-19, traveling was in worst scenario. Trains were shut down, flights were not available, so traveling was not possible from one place to another place. This hit our room division, which impacted the F&B. Again, coming to the restaurant part, local people they were afraid of this pandemic, COVID-19. Many people they lost their life. So due to the fearness, they were not coming to the hotel. So while we get the chance to reopen the hotel, first the main concept or main challenges which we faced of giving confidence in a guest that you are coming to a safe and comfortable environment. This was a big challenge because in each and every city their competitors are more. If you compare about Indore, in Indore, best hotels where Marriott is there, Radisson is there, Sahaj is there. We are the best five-star hotels in Indore. So we have to compete with each other, build trust inside the guest that no, your environment is safe. So for this, we got in touch with the guests who were our regular guests, even the companies, corporate companies. We send our training procedures that how we have trained the staff, training manuals, our operational things. After that, we started the things. Slowly, room guests they came. F&B business was uplifted, and at present scenario, if you see that whatever business you were doing before COVID, so came, we have rectified it, and at present we are doing 60-70% of business. So now we are at upper level. People are coming over here, having trust on us. So main thing was trust. And first, people know that food quality is good, brand is good, but for the safety of the life, trust was more important. And they are coming in a safe and healthy environment. That we built for that mask sanitizer, proper checkup before coming to the hotel for the guests as well as our staff. This was in prior importance, social distancing, the tables, even in the rooms. Before we were allowing double occupancy, now we have single occupancy we are giving. Each and every room is sanitized after guest leaves. We are defogging the rooms for 24 hours, sanitizing it, and giving the room after 48 hours to the guest. So this impact in the market went, and at present we are moving forward and hope in coming new year after December 31st we'll come to our toes and bring 100% business back in the hotel.
Well, sir, we would also like to know for the students who are the aspiring students, pan India, who are aspiring to join this industry in future. So, what, according to you, what should be the correct mindset and the necessary qualities that they should develop before joining this industry?
But see, first of all, this if you go in hotel, people are coming from two various education. First is hotel management. In hotel management, we have diploma in hotel management, graduation in hotel management, and MBA in hospitality. They comes in operation department. We have four major departments in the hotel, like food production, from where you become the chef; food and beverage department, food and beverage service, from where you become the food and beverage manager; housekeeping, from where you become the housekeeping manager; front office department, who deals with the room sell, you become the front office manager. These are the four leading departments of hotel industry. Plus, for the MBA graduates in marketing, we have the good setup of sales and marketing where they can opt for. For person who has done MBA HR, there is a HR team over here because a hotel, when it becomes bigger, we have to do the corporate setup. So for corporate setup, we need the staff. For unit level, we need the staff. So if you compare about the staff from where we hire, it's from the hotel management and MBA both. Coming to the growth for the new students who are coming to this industry. If you are from the operation part, from hotel industry, hotel management part, so you have to be fit and fine physically as well as mentally. At present scenario, vacancies are too much because this hospitality sector, it was growing industry in the all countries, not even in India, even in abroad. So if you have done hotel management or MBA hotel management is the best opportunity for you to travel to throughout the globe. Even I have traveled to two different countries and scenario was good. I left because of some family issues that I got married and I came back to India. So this is a good time. First 1 year you have to struggle a lot. You have to be a smart worker, learn about the things because this is a new industry to each and everyone. Whatever you do in plus two is not like that. It's a new practical based industry where you have to come here, learn about the things and how we operate after 1 year. Because 1 year you don't have to think about the salary. Think about the learning. When you learn the things, your salary suddenly goes in higher level. You jump up. You go to supervisor level, executive level, then HOD levels. So when you go to the HOD level, the, whatever the engineer earns to come to know that engineering was good, this is good, that is good, you earn the same amount as per your capability. Okay, in a good group, good industry. If you come from the MBA, as you know that you are going in HR department, you have a good HR setup. You want to go for marketing, we have a good marketing team over here in all the hotels, and you get a good respect too. Because whenever you are presenting any five-star hotel, you go to a company, to a corporate, they give you good response with respect. So, as compare about the salary, because nowadays youngsters they are thinking, what salary I'll be getting after joining this hotel industry. My dear, nobody can guarantee you that you are getting this much salary, but it depends on your capability. If you start your career from the hotel industry, you get the handsome salary as per the market scenario, and the respect is too much. So, before joining any industry, you should read about it, go to a hotel, meet with the people, you'll come to know that what is the growth in this industry. Yes, you can get the figures in 4 digit, 5 digit as per your choices.
So that was a wonderful explanation, I guess, giving a wonderful insight of what goes on inside the industry. Now, sir, I would also like to ask you a question that I guess every student has in their mind before joining an industry. That is about the expectation and the growth prospectus. As you rightly mentioned, but whenever a student is entering this industry, so what should be his expectation and what should he expect when he's climbing up the hierarchy slowly in the industry?
Right. See, when a new student is joining the industry, first of all, he has to put the ego in his pocket, because this is the industry where you have to be polite. Okay, you can't argue with the person. Here we are dealing with a guest, with a human being, where you should not hurt the sentiment of the person who is giving you the business. The first, ego should not be there. Be humble, be smart worker. We don't need hard worker over here. We need smart worker who can learn many things in a short period of time. If you want to work for a company, you can be at a good level within a few couple of years. Again, salary is most important for all the students. They always ask, so how much I'll get the salary? How much I get the salary? This is the, but when you are joining the industry, never ask for an interview that what salary you are giving to us. Because this is the time when you are fresher, you are new, give 1 year time to a company, and the company will give you a better salary which you deserve. But yes, I can assure you that the salary which you will getting, it will be in four fields. Okay, means starting from 15K till above the initial level. In hotel industry, we get food part. Food part is given by the hotel free of cost. Accommodation, some of the hotels they give, few they don't give, but accommodation is not a need. Accommodation you can easily get anywhere, but main thing is food cost. That you get the food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner throughout the day in the staff cafeteria. Plus, when you learn, when you get the things to know after 2 or 3 years, then when you enter the managerial level, that time the salary goes higher and higher. And main thing is experience and experience. You know the bookish knowledge from the college, from the institutions, but the practical knowledge you get from the industry when you come and join over here. The first, prove yourself and demand for the salary. This is my request, or I say the suggestion to a newcomers whoever is coming in the industry.
How do you see this industry 10 years from now, like the opportunities and the challenges that the future challenges that this industry is going to face in near future, to give the students a clear idea that there is a ample amount of opportunity with challenges, but they have to face it and they have to grow in life. So what is your take on that?
See, from today till further, before COVID was not there. Before COVID, this fluctuation came in all the industry. That this industry went in loss, this have done this thing. But hotel industry never was in loss, never ever. People they will travel, either they travel for the official purpose, they travel for the family purpose, marriages is there. Either crisis is there or not in your family. If there is a marriage, you have to do the marriages. That is scheduled in the hotel. Family functions are there. Birthday to hona hi hai. It is compulsory everywhere. So this foodie things, function, it was every time. People were coming to the hotel, spending the amount. This is the first time when COVID hit the industry. So now we should be prepared. Main thing that hygiene, hygiene, and hygiene. Government is also telling that you have to maintain hygiene. Marks should be there. So further, I will say that just whenever you are working in a hotel at the upper level, ask your junior staff to be hygienic, maintain proper hygiene in the industry. People will trust you, and trust will bring the business to you. So, coming at the opportunities, wherever you live, just in small town or a big town, just go and see the city, out of the city, you will come to know that there is a hotel is there. Either a small city or the big city. In big city, bigger hotel will be there. Small city, smaller hotel will be there. So hotelier never ever is a jobless. It depends that how is his standard, how is his capability, and where he can work. The person can work in London, the person can work in a big great city. It depends, each and everything depends on the capability of the person. For the salary part, this industry is giving a handsome salary, good salary compared to the other industry, because the business is more. Corona will come, Corona will go. But our industry will always survive in a better way. We have come across with each and everything, and now we are at the toes, we are at the sensation where we can move forward, bring more business, Opportunities are high for this industry. You can never see a hotelier without a job. Never ever. If he is having smart worker, if he want to work, he will never be a jobless, and he will always move further in the life.
I guess this interaction has cleared, I guess, many doubts and has given a clear idea of what actually goes in and out of the hotel industry. I'm sure the people who are aspiring in this to get into this industry in the hospitality management industry by doing a bachelor's or an MBA in hospitality management, I'm sure that this will benefit them a lot. And just to conclude the session, sir, we would like to hear it from you, the message that you want to give to all the viewers and all the students, whoever is interested. Please go ahead,
Uh,
sir.
uh, Dear viewers, I just want to say that whatever you do, whichever course you do, have the good knowledge, practical should you have the bookish knowledge, everything I understand. You read in a college, you read in an institute, you get the bookish knowledge, but practical is very important. Never give up. Give 1 to 2 years in the industry, wherever you want working. You have done hotel management, you have done MBA, give 1 or 2 years, be with the company, and you will get the things in a good way. Reward will be in a good way. You will see the life after 2 to 3 years that where it's in track or not. But never give up at working for a 6 months, 2 months, and leave the company, change the company. Wherever you are working, give at least 1 to 2 years, and you will get the result. I can say get the positive result in future.
Thank you for joining with us, sir. And your experience in India and abroad, I guess, is a lot for the viewers. And thank you for your time to share your experiences, to share your views in this industry for the upcoming young generation that is ready to charge into this industry. Thank you for your time, sir. Thank you. Thanks a
Thank you
lot.
very much. Have a nice day.